The Slug Boys, yay!
What the fuck?
What do you think?
What the fuck is that?
She's other side of the road.
Oh fuck, aye.
He's like it.
I mean, it's...
Aye, we'll see how it performs, but
Wait up, it does weekend.
what is that spoiler even doing? Like,
Oh aye, what the fuck is... What's the spoiler gonna do?
$3 miles this way.
When it is safe to do so.
Fucking Lewis, this car's rapid.
An old MR2, mate.
Aye.
Tuned to fuck. Oh, but I crashed. Alright.
Oh yeah.
No, I'll take the wrong turn, boys.
400 meters.
A stats turn, it's always that turn. This should be you were in.
Turn right.
Either way.
Yes. Wait, so is this a recommended one? Aye, the one for you to level up, or what?
No, I just went to a random one.
I go with a Polish motor.
It's my favourite fucking motor I've ever made, man. But I don't know. I was like looking at my cars and I was like, oh fuck, there's my Polus.
It's a UK one day in Japan, but
They fucking shipped it for me.
probably S1s, Z2s and Xs.
I'll be happy if I get third place.
Behind Albert.
Oh no, mate. I'll need to stop looking behind me when turns are coming up.
Me,
I missed
Albert.
another checkpoint. I'm behind every cut now. Oh fuck, I'm not doing very well.
Second place, baby!
Maybe the Polus motor wasn't a good idea.
Lang's alright, man. He's fucking skiddy as fuck.
I've managed to climb to fifth, or seventh, I think. Fifth, what I'm on about.
Aye, I'm lost. The Polus
Yeah,
motor
that
wasn't a
wasn't-
good idea.
You're 11th, you're no 12.
Oh,
You
right.
bet, Albert.
Yeah, you better be Albert.
Albert got 9
I've
points.
got a DNF.
There we go, representing. How do the Polus do this? See when see this Polus motor, like whenever I use it, you know who the fucking who's fucking British because they fucking scud off the road and piss themselves.
Oh, yeah.
They fucking see us coming and like, oh fuck. You actually see them fucking like swerving and shit, like, trying to get away.
Yeah, I know.
Turn right.
The only thing is, this Polus motor says Nottinghamshire, so fucking.
Fucking Nottingham policeman
Aye.
in Japan. Oh no, man.
Turn right.
Can't be having
On the
that.
hunt for fucking Robin Hood.
Aye. He's fucking being slow as fuck. This thing's horrid. Oh, get away! You'll never take me alive!
Sorry, you're fucking over the speed limit.
What speed limit?
Fuck it. What speed limit? I'll fucking show you speed limit. If I can fucking stop spinning. Oh my fucking... Right, this car's shite. It just spins and spins. Aye.
No, I'm switching a bell car.
Highway patrol. This is meant to be a
Okay,
good
yeah,
one.
like. It's hot police motor, mate. You get away with it.
If I can fucking stop spinning, I'll come and catch up to you.
Fucking just watching the distance spinning away.
Nino, Nino. Sir, could you fucking not step
No,
on
I'm
that side
fucking
of the
safe.
road? I'm switching modes.
Sports mode!
There's like a dial on my fucking wheel. Dispatch, we've got a rogue guy running through Tokyo City. My radio's not working. We're not in fucking US. Fucking switching police mode.
My British water seemed to be better.
Aye, right, because that's my best one.
I'm gonna really try and fuck up. You know I'm gonna do.
Excuse me, sir, you're drinking, you're smoking weed in your car, could you please?
See that? I can kill that, mate. See you later.
You forget, this is my best police motor.
You better hurry up and come back.
I think he's got him. Classic. What a drift, man!
Aye, well, you're kinda dirty there.
That's expected.
Ah, scraped that again.
Oh, spun out! What is this?
Spun out.
What is this? Why am I spinning? Fucking drive!
Well, if you can't onto a fucking wheel like that, mate, maybe you shouldn't actually drive your life. Just in case.
It's the car, it's not my wheel.
What the fuck?
Stop.
I'm your mate? What was that? You're like,
Yeah,
it's
right,
my
sorry.
car. Mate, you're like, it's my car. And your mate, like, kind of bust there, man.
Are we doing another one?
No.
Oh, well,
Oh, that's easy.
I'm rolling a fag.
I was about to fucking fill up my vape there.
Good driving, baby.
I'm rolling a fag while pushing down the pedal. I'm rolling a fag while driving. What's up? Right.
Oh, you and your track, yeah, I can't talk. Oh, you.
You're in your frank car. Random phone number, phoning and smashing. See you later.
Answered well, and then answer. Sorry, but I cannot take the phone right now. I am in the middle of a race. So,
I'm driving.
Just get fucking car crash audio on YouTube and just, I'm actually driving the now. I'll need to pull on, phone you back and just play the crash. Right, so James Bond joining us on the Togue.
No, this isn't the James Bond car. I'm gonna be so shit at this, I can't drift for shit with this wheel.
If we're doing a Togue, man, the initial D thing, we're doing the initial D thing. Tables back, Jordan, catch me!
I'm off the cliff, I'm gone!
Welcome to the Togue.
Fucking reverse!
Well, sitting up here leaning to the side, man, you're spinning his wheel with two hands.
How the fuck do you know what I'm doing? Do you see my camera or something?
Oh, mate, that's all, I would end up doing it.
Keep going, fuck! Reverse! Move! Why am I spinning so much?
We'll do rock, paper, scissors, right? When I shout go, lose, you shout your thing out, well, you shout your thing at the same exact time, and whoever wins it gets to decide what races next, right? 2, 1, go.
Rock.
Paper.
Fuck off!
Right, well, we're doing Togue.
Oh, chill out! What have you done? What have you done? You fucking... You were meant to lose and we were meant to be fucking in the clear. I thought we had fucking eye to eye. Go.
Paper always wins.
Aye, and fucking paper also leads to fucking Togue.
Togue.
I'm in this guy, like, don't steal my idea.
As long as I beat the NPC, I'll be fine. 350 at the start? Fuck off. Oh, fuck.
This
Come
fucking
on.
motors aren't tuned, they aren't in.
Sick.
Are you right? Hey, I just came barreling out the woods, deboning me. Why are you doing a Togue and a Ford Focus? That's stock. Ford Focus.
I don't know, mate. Right, 3, 2, 1, go.
Scissors.
Paper. No, my
On,
paper's
go.
got a force field in it.
There's no up, mate. Well, go that man. Right, well, Togue.
Try again.
Don't say doggy!
Horizontal oscillation.
What the fuck? Horizontal isolation.
I've got my fan going side to side and up and down.
That's my fucking sex thing right there.
It's a she after all.